Right, we're going to create a new project. So we're going to come here and create a new project. We're going to select standalone project. We're going to type into this device box 16F1789, because that's the PIC I'm using. Scroll down to the tools, and this is the PIC kit that I'm using, in this case the PIckit 4. We then click on next. In this box we're not going to use the debug feature of it, so we're going to click next. We're now going to choose the compiler, and in this case it's the only one we've got, so highlight it and click next. At this point we need to name our project. So I'm going to call this LED Blink V1. We're then going to click on finish, and it's going to start creating our file for us. This may take a few seconds, then you'll see it's appeared here up in the left hand box. Next we're going to create our main C file. To do this we right click on source file, new, and click on main C. This is then going to bring this box up where we're going to call it, or give it a file name. So we'll call it main C file. We don't need to do anything else. Click on finish. This will then start creating our start of our C file. Obviously you can change some of the details in here if you wish. I will just change one little bit, and then basically the C file is ready next for creating the config file. Right, in this version of MPLAB, it's slightly different to earlier versions. To create the configuration file, we go to Production, Set Configuration Bits. This will bring up all the fuses and everything that we can set in the configuration into this bottom window. We're going to basically, in this demonstration, use HS. We're going to turn off the watchdog timer. I'm going to turn off this one. Basically we're turning most of them off for now, because we're not going to use those facilities. So bear with me one sec. There's possibly one or two that we're going to leave alone. We're going to leave this one on, PPL enable. Stack Overflow, I'm going to turn that one off. And low voltage program enable, I'm going to leave switched on. We then need to generate the code output. Basically, as you can see up here, we've already got an include xc.h file and the start of the void loop. So what we need to do is select from the bottom the config file. Once you've highlighted it all, Control C. I then generally put it here, just below where the description text is, and then Control V. Once you've done that, that is your configuration file all set up for you. You can use this for all your projects while you're using this particular PIC.